Welcome to our channel 1 to Step everybody, where we post tutorial videos on our YouTube channel. And in today's video, I will be teaching you guys how you guys can get more requests on ChatGPT. So let's say you have used up all of your requests and you want to get some more requests. You guys can follow the step which I'm going to be showing you guys in order to get more requests. And before I show you the steps, if you guys are new to our channel 1 to Step, then don't forget to hit the like and subscribe to our channel with notification on. Let's move on. First step, you want to go to the official website of ChatGPT, which is chat.openai.com. And once you're over here at the top right corner of your screen on your Google Chrome browser, you can see the 3 dots. You want to click on it, and from over here you want to go on where it says settings. Over here you can see it. Now once you're inside your settings, you can see privacy and security option at the side. You can click on it. Once you're in privacy and security, scroll all the way down until you see cookies and other site data. Once you see it, click on it, and once you're in this page, scroll a bit down until you see all site data and permissions. You want to click on it, and over here where it says search, you want to write openai.com. Alright, so this is the official website URL of ChatGPT. Once you search for it, it's going to show you over here. What you want to do is click on this dustbin looking icon right beside it and click on clear. Once you do that, go back to your ChatGPT and click on this button to reload it. And once you reload the site, you should get some more requests. And if you do not get more requests, what you can do is log in into another ChatGPT account, and you will get more requests. Or you can go to another browser and log in into your account, and by doing that you can get more requests. But yeah, these are the working method through which you guys can get more requests on ChatGPT. It's that simple. So if you guys found our video helpful, then hit that subscribe to our channel 1 to Step. I will see you guys next time. Bye bye.